In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a pre-order on KDP. Whether you're tweaking the release date or updating some metadata, I'll guide you through the process, step by step, to ensure you make these changes smoothly. So let's dive in. First things first, you're going to want to access your bookshelf on Kindle Direct Publishing's website. This is your main hub for all the ebooks and paperbacks you have in various stages of development or publication. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do that, then locate the bookshelf link, which is usually at the top of the page. Once you click on it, you'll see a list of all your current titles. Now, once you're in your bookshelf, find the book that you've set up for pre-order. It's essential to select the correct title. So take a moment to assure you're editing the right book. When you've identified the pre-order book you want to edit, you'll see an option labeled Edit Details right next to your title. Click on Edit Details to proceed. With the Edit Details section open, this is where you can make your desired adjustments. You can change the release date or modify any metadata associated with your book. This might include the title or description, among other details. It's crucial to carefully review the information you update, as these details will be visible in the Kindle store and accessible to your potential readers. When adjusting the release date, input the correct new date carefully. Remember that Amazon has specific deadlines for when you can make changes to a pre-order, typically requiring updates to be made several days before the initial release date. Once you've made your adjustments, the next step is to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button, usually towards the bottom of the page, and click it to ensure that all your updates are recorded. This action is crucial because any unsaved changes will not take effect, and your book will remain with the old settings. And that's it. You've now successfully updated your pre-order details on KDP. If you encounter any issues, or if your changes aren't reflecting, consider reaching out to KDP support for additional guidance. It's always a good idea to double-check your email for any confirmations or alerts from KDP about your updates. That way you can stay informed about your pre-order's status. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more content, and feel free to leave any questions